Yes, Pari. Yes, we haven't done those three sums from exercise 13C. We'll do them later. Don't worry. Let's first complete this exercise now. This is the sum. We are doing question number 12 from 13D. Now, in the previous lecture, I told you that the number which is in between is the sum, should be the sum. We have to think of two numbers such that their sum is this. And if there is a number here in the first variable, that number will get multiplied with 1. Correct? I had told you that. So that number, if there is a number here, it will get multiplied with 1. So 7 into 1 is 7. Now 7 will be your product. This is your product. So think of two numbers. When you multiply them, you get 7. When you multiply them, you get 7. I want all of you to participate, to give your answers. Even if it is wrong, doesn't matter, but you have to give answers. You have to think. So how can I get 7? Which two numbers should I multiply? The most basic multiples of 7. That is 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Okay. And 7 plus 1 is 8. But I want minus 8. I want minus 8 here. So what can I do to get minus 8? I can make both of these minus. दोनों को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ एक को माइनस करूंगा तो नहीं चलेगा. अगर मैंने सिर्फ एक को माइनस किया तो आई विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव. वो नहीं चलेगा. प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव ही है. सो आई हैव टू मेक बोथ नेगेटिव. दोनों को नेगेटिव कर दूंगा. -7 -1. So when you multiply them, you will still get +7. But when you add them, -1 -7 is -8. Okay. Now let's put them in the sum. So 7b square, in the place of 8b, I will write -7b minus 1b plus 1. Then here we will take common. Here I can take 7 common, 7b common. So b minus 1 will remain. And here I can take 1 common. Nothing is common means 1. And there is a minus sign also common. So minus sign common, little second sign changes. So this will become b minus 1. Then b minus 1 will come common. What will remain? 7b minus 1. Okay. Yes, Hugh, what is your doubt?
Sir, you said it is 7b square minus 8b plus 7 no? Or 1.
What? 7b square? Just repeat.
7b square. Sir, you took products -n and -1 no? So plus 1 is -n into -1 is +7 no? So you have written 1. -8b plus 1.
Acha, here.
Yes, sir.
So again I tell you, in the previous video also I had told that when we say I multiply the first number with the last number, okay, I only multiply them and use it as product, but I don't do that multiplication in the sum. We don't do that multiplication in the sum. We just only use this product to find the values. Okay, we don't have to actually multiply 7 into 1 and write it here. वो नहीं करना है. Question number 13. Question number 13 is 2a square minus 17ab, 2a square minus 17ab plus 26b square. Big numbers. Yes, Dash. So see, again, 2 into 26. 2 into 26 will give me 52. Okay. So I will find the factors for 52. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करना मत, 52 बनाना मत सम के अंदर, बट 52 को यूज करना फैक्टर्स ढूंढने के लिए. ओके, एंड आई वांट 17 हियर. तो 52 कैसे मिल सकता है मुझे? टेल मी द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 52. थिंक ऑफ सम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 52. 52 इज डिविजिबल बाय व्हिच नंबर? 17 3s are 52. No, 17 3s are 51. It is not 52. Think fast. Come on. Just divide 52 with some number and see. 52 divided by 4 is 13. So the factors will be 13 and 4. 13 4s are 54. 13 4s are 54. So 13 into 4 will give me 52. Sorry, 13 into 4 will give me 52. And I want minus 17. Minus 17 चाहिए. तो 13 और 4 से minus 17 कैसे मिल सकता है? दोनों को माइनस कर देते हैं. Minus 13 minus 14. So product अभी भी 52 ही आएगा, but sum will be minus 17. Okay. 2a square minus 13a ab minus 4ab plus 26b square. Now let's take common here. Let's take common. So 2 cannot come common. Only a will come common here. In these two terms, only a will come common. So 2a minus 13b. 2a minus 13b will remain. See, एक a यहाँ से गया, एक a यहाँ से गया. तो क्या बचा यहाँ पे? 2a बचा और यहाँ पे 13b बचा. ठीक है? Here there is a minus sign. Minus sign will come common. 4 or 26. 4 means 2 into 2. 26 means 2 into 13. So both of them have 2 as a factor. So I can take 2 common. 2 common आ सकता है यहाँ से 2. And variable में there is ab here and there is b square here. So एक b common आ सकता है. तो एक b common आ गया. Now what will remain? 4 एक 2 गया और b गया. तो 2a will remain here. Okay. यहाँ से 2 गया, 13 will remain. See, this plus sign will become minus because मैंने minus sign common लिया है. Okay. So minus 13, एक b गया तो एक b बचा है. Okay. So 2a minus 13b, 2a minus 13b. 2a minus 13b will come common. What will remain? A minus 2b. Copy it fast. Yes, Kev. Two x square plus xy minus 6y square. Now again, this first number and last number will get multiplied. So 2 into 6 is 12. साइड में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सिर्फ. Now we have to find factors for 12 such that you should get, there is no number here, means 1 है number 1. तो ऐसे दो numbers जिनको, अच्छा, and this is, there is a minus sign also, -6 है ना ये, तो 2 into -6 is -12. तो ऐसे दो numbers ढूंढने हैं जिनको multiply करके -12 आना चाहिए and add करके या subtract करके +1 आना चाहिए. So think of two numbers. 4 and 3 is correct. Numbers 4 and 3 होंगे, लेकिन साइन क्या होगा? Because नेगेटिव, प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव है, मतलब एक नंबर नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. प्रोडक्ट इज नेगेटिव. Yes, so we will take -3. 4 को माइनस नहीं लेंगे क्री. 4 को माइनस लेंगे तो क्या होगा? -4 + 3 करोगे तो सम आपको -1 मिलेगा. आपको यहाँ पे +1 चाहिए. So the greater number should be positive and smaller number should be negative. So these will be the factors. Plus 4xy minus 3xy minus 6y square. Now taking common here I can take 2 common and I can take x common. So 2x will come common. 2x गया तो सिर्फ एक x बचेगा. यहाँ से 4 में से 2 गया तो 2 बचा, एंड यहाँ पे से x गया तो y बचा. अंडरस्टैंड? फर्स्ट लिसन टू मी देन कॉपी. यहाँ पे माइनस कॉमन आ जाएगा. -3 और 6 है तो 6 में से भी 3 कॉमन आएगा और यहाँ से 3 कॉमन आएगा. वेरिएबल में xy और y स्क्वायर, तो y कैन कम, 1y कैन कम कॉमन. सो यहाँ पे 3 गया, y गया, तो ओनली x रिमेन. माइनस साइन कॉमन ली है तो ये वाली साइन जो माइनस है वो प्लस बन जाएगी, साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. 6 में से 3 कॉमन आ गया तो 6 डिवाइड बाय 3 इज 2, एंड y स्क्वायर में से y कॉमन हुआ तो 1y विल रिमेन. So x plus 2y is same. What is remaining? 2x minus 3y. Next. Now here what I'll do first, 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is 40. तो factors ढूंढना है 40 का. Such that you should get, अच्छा 4 into -10, you should have -40. -40. And such that दो numbers ऐसे जिनको subtract करके या add करके you should get 3. So think of two numbers. 40 कैसे मिलता है? Yes, खुशी, correct. But your signs are wrong, Kushi. Others, give me the answer. Yes, Janam, correct. But what about the signs? Yes, Kreet, correct. Nivisha, correct. Arya, signs. Yes, Riyan, correct. Now correct, Kushi. Isha, no, factors are wrong. You need 3 when you add or subtract. So 3 नहीं आ रहा है आपका 10 और 4 से. The factors will be 8 and 5. 8 5 are 40. ठीक है, और बट प्लस 3 चाहिए तो 8 और -5. 8 and -5 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -40 आएगा और 8 minus 5 will give you plus 3. So put these factors here. 4c square plus 8c minus 5c minus 10. So we will take common. 4 और 8 में से 4 कॉमन आ सकता है and 1 c can come common. So c plus 8 divided by 4 is 2 because we have taken 4 common. So only 2 will remain. Minus sign will come common and 5 or 10. तो 10 का मतलब भी क्या है 5 into 2. So 1 5 from here and 1 5 from here can come common. So क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे सिर्फ c माइनस साइन तो प्लस हो गई एंड क्या बचा 2. c plus 2 c plus 2 common. What will remain 4c minus 5. Copy the sum. Fourteen x square plus x minus 3. Again, you will have to think for the factors. See, 14 threes are 14 into 3 will give me 42. 14 into minus 3, so minus 42. Factors ढूंढना है. Minus 42. Yes, someone has given the answer here. Correct, Janam. ठीक है. और ऐसे दो numbers such that you should get, when you add or subtract them, you should get +1. +1 आना चाहिए. तो सोचो, correct रिहान. क्या दो numbers लेंगे? Yes, everyone is giving correct answers. 7 6 are 42. लेकिन minus चाहिए तो 6 को minus कर लेंगे. शौर्य साइंस 7 into minus 6. 7 into 7 minus 6 will give me +1. 7 into minus 6 will give me minus 42. Okay, let's put the values here. Plus 7x minus 6x minus 3. Let's common. 14 और 7 में से 7 common आ सकता है. 14, so 2 will remain here because 14 divided by 7 is 2. 1x can come common. X भी common आ सकता है. x square है और यहाँ पे x है तो x common. तो 7x पूरा common आ गया. यहाँ से 2x बचा. See 14x square में से 14 में से 7 गया, x square में से x गया, तो 2x बचा. प्लस ये पूरा 7x चला गया. अगर पूरा 7x चला गया तो what should I write? 1 will remain. Okay, here minus sign will come common. Okay, and 6 और 3 में से 3 common आ जाएगा. 3 will come common. So what will remain here? 2 and x. 2x will remain, this minus sign will become plus because we have taken minus sign common. Whenever you take minus sign common, the second sign changes. Okay, this 3 is taken common, so 1 will remain. Two x plus 1, 2x plus 1. What is there here? 7x minus 3. See, now in the question number 17, अगर आप देखो तो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में क्वेश्चन दिया है. इधर स्क्वायर वाला टर्म है, यहाँ पे नंबर है और बीच में 7 भी है. बीच में जो नंबर है वो सेम है, बट ये रिवर्स कर दिया है. एक्स स्क्वायर वाला टर्म यहाँ पे दिया है, बट इट डजंट मैटर. It doesn't matter at all. We have to solve like we do. Okay. What is our steps? We multiply this number with the first number. Okay. What we do? We first multiply the 6 with minus 3. Okay. The 6 will get multiplied with minus 3. So you will have minus 18. Find the factors of minus 18. And you should have 7 here. Yes, Jenna. So 18 कैसे मिलता है? 9 into 2. 9 into 2. But make sure signs mistake, Khushi. Sign, Tanish also mistake. See, plus 7 आना चाहिए, plus 7. दो नंबर्स को ऐड करके plus 7 आना चाहिए. मल्टीप्लाई करके minus 18 तो आ रहा है, but ऐड करके plus 7 आना चाहिए. Then you have to keep 2 as minus and 9 as plus. Okay, correct, Nivisha. Correct, Riyan. Yes, Yashvi. So now I have the factors. Let's put the values here. 6 plus 9b minus 2b minus 3b square. Now let's take common. Here I can take 6 है मतलब 3 into 2 और 9 है मतलब 3 into 3. So I can take 3 common. So 3 common आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे 6 में से 2 बचा प्लस 9 में से 3 गया तो एक 3 बचेगा. And this b will remain b. Then here minus sign will come common. 2b 3b square. तो b कॉमन है, नंबर्स तो कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है, तो b कॉमन है लेकिन b एक b कॉमन आ सकता है. So I'll take minus b common. यहाँ 2 बचा सिर्फ. This minus will become plus because I have taken minus sign common. And here 3b square है. So 1b is taken. So 3b will remain. Try the next sum. Yes, I can see you are going right. Most of you have given the right answers. Okay, you have even got the final answer. The 18th sum is 5 plus 7x minus 6x squared. 5 plus 7x minus 6x squared. So I'll multiply 5 into 6. I will get minus 30 because there is a minus sign here, minus 6. So minus 30. Yes. And factors क्या हो गए? Very simple. 10 और 3. अब माइनस साइन किसको दूं? I want plus 7. प्लस चाहिए सम. तो बड़े नंबर को प्लस रखेंगे, छोटे नंबर को माइनस देंगे. Yes, Yashvi. Let's put the values. Plus 10x minus 3x minus 6x squared. So here I can take 5 common. So 1 plus 2x. Don't make a mistake here. See 5 common देंगे तो 5 गया तो कुछ नहीं बचा, मतलब 1 बचा. Plus 10 में से 5 गया तो 2 बचा. Here I can take minus sign common. Then 3 common आएगा 3. And x will also come common. x है और x square है. So 3x पूरा चला गया, मतलब कुछ नहीं बचा. Means 1. Then this minus will become plus because I have taken minus sign common. And ये 6 में से 2 बचेगा, x square में से x बचेगा. I have told you always you will get the first bracket and the second bracket same. So अगर first bracket मिल गया है तो उसकी help से second bracket भी लेके आओ. Now take 1 plus 2x common. What will remain? 5 minus 3x. Correct. 4 plus y minus 14y square. So 4 into 14. 4 into 14. 14 fours are 56. So factors for 56. Factors for 56. Yes, correct, Pari. क्या फैक्टर्स लेंगे? आई वांट बीच में 1 चाहिए, 1, करेक्ट. और यस देयर इज -14 है, तो 4 into -14 -56 और 1 चाहिए, तो फैक्टर्स क्या ले? यस निवांग, करेक्ट. 8 into 7, 8 7s are 56 एंड स्मॉलर नंबर को माइनस साइन देंगे. 8 into 7. यस तनिष. So 4 plus this y, I will write 8y minus 7y minus 14y square. Now, what can come common here? 4 or 8y. So 4 can come common. So 1 will remain here. Plus 8 में से 4 गया, तो 2 will remain. And y. Here I'll take minus sign common. 7 will come common. 14 में से 7 जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे 2 बचेगा. Your first y will. अच्छा, y can also come common. See, 7 भी कॉमन आ सकता है, y भी कॉमन आएगा, एक y. तो कुछ नहीं बचा, मतलब 1. This minus sign will become plus, क्योंकि मैंने माइनस साइन कॉमन लिया, तो साइन चेंज होती है. 14 में से 5 गया तो 7 गया, तो 2 बचा. y स्क्वायर में से एक y गया, तो एक y बच गया. 1 plus 2y, 1 plus 2y. What will remain? 4 minus 7y. Copied. Twentieth sum. 5 plus 3a minus 14a square. Very good. Students are quick, giving me already answers. 5, 14 into 5, 70. 70 के एकदम simple factors हैं. Now I will give you one sum. After this, I will give you one sum. You have to do that on your own. I want plus 3. 10 minus 7 कर देंगे. 10 minus 7 plus 3 मिल जाएगा. अगर minus 3 होता, तो we would have taken minus 10 plus 7. But plus 3 है. So 5 This plus 3 can be written as 10a minus 7a minus 14a square. Taking common here, take 5 common here. So 1 plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 1 plus 2a will remain. Then I'll take minus sign common. 7 will come common. And a will also come common. Sorry, I'm giving you one sum. Solve this extra sum now. Come on, all of you. Six fives are 30. Factors for 30, 10 into 3. But this time you want minus 7. Minus 7 चाहिए, तो I'll take minus 10 plus 3. Minus 7 चाहिए ना यहाँ पे. This was the mistake most of you made. Minus 7 चाहिए. तो minus 10 plus 3 लेंगे. And then we will solve it. So here 6 and 10. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. So I can take 2 common. A square AB. So I can take 1 A common. Now 2 गया और एक a गया, तो 3a will remain here. यहाँ से 2 गया और a गया, so 5 and b is remaining. Here there is plus sign. Then here 3ab and 5b square. So b can come common, b. Okay, so I can take b common. What will remain? 3a minus 5b. Sign will not change. Why? Because I have not taken minus sign common. Plus sign ही है यहाँ पे, so sign will not change. So your answer will be 3a minus 5b and 2a plus b. Okay. So with this, we complete factorization.